Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. June 15, Unit 42, question number 4 of topic mensuration. In worksheet of mine, it is question 44. So let's start. So first of all, he given this sector, he's asking us find out the length of the arc. So arc length. So arc length formula we have theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So theta is 135 and 2 pi and radius is 12. And so I'm going to find, so it is 135 divided by 360 into 2 into 12. And I am not typing pi in my calculator, without typing pi. So I get 9 and I keep pi aside it. So centimeter only, the length, because he's asking in terms of pi, he said. And next he's asking us that find out he made this, I said before, this kind of sector. When I fold it, I will get this kind of cone. Okay, and it said you that this arc length and this arc length and this one is called a base area circumference. So equal to each other, and circumference is a 2 pi r and equal to the arc length. So arc length. So it means this arc length 9 pi. So I can say here circumference of the base circle equal to arc length. Okay, and circumference is a 2 pi r and arc length is 9 pi. And this 2 pi goes down, 9 pi by 2 pi. Pi cancel, radius become 4.5 centimeter. So this is a part number 2. So part 2, sorry. So I part, 2 part is over. Let's go for next part. Next part he said we have a cone. I inverted, okay, I just flipped. Okay, this kind of cone we have now. And we have the radius is 4.5. Radius is a 4.5. This is height. Here we have 90 degree. And do you know, I said before that arc length, this arc length is this radius and this slant height, they are equal to each other. So I can say here, so this slant height L, because majority students stuck here because they don't know this rule. And the rule is radius of the sector is equal to curved, a slant height. There's the reason. So they are equal to each other. So this 12 will come here. And now I'm looking for the height. So I can use Pythagoras Theorem. Hypotenuse square, opposite square plus adjacent square. This is the part number A I'm doing. Okay. Part 2, under 2 heading A. Under heading 2A I have here. Under 2 heading I have B is here. Okay. So in front of 90 is called hypotenuse. So H and plus 4.5 square. And you know that it will come here. So 12 square minus 4.5 square give you H square. So let's find. So 12 square minus 4.5 square and take the root of this answer will give me H 11.1 centimeter. Okay, this is very, very clear. Okay. So let's talk about the next part. Next part is important here. And what he said here, BI part. So I do here, BI part. Actually, you know, this is a larger, you can say this is kind of, okay, we have, and cup is here, cup, okay? And this part is not there actually, okay? This part actually, he cut from down, so he got a cup. A longer cone, he cut the lower cone, he got a cup, okay? It's also called frustrum, okay? Without top and without bottom is called frustrum. Okay, he's saying here that this is a plant pot, okay? Find this cross-section area plant given. So we have to find L. But what he done, let me help you. This from here till here, and here he got a big triangle, and here till here you can see the smaller triangle. This smaller and this bigger. And he given us, this is 35, he given us. And he given us, this is a 15 from here till here. And this is given by him is, I think, 8, right? 8 given, yes, 8. So this is 8, okay. What I will do, I will extract smaller triangle and bigger one. See the way, how I do. the bigger triangle and the smaller triangle. The bigger, here 90 degree, here 90. The bigger is equal to 15, I write here. Smaller is 8, I write here. Now interesting part, how I can utilize 35. Okay, very interesting. I will take this as a small n. I count as a small n. Okay, or even x, no issue. X, why I use L slant height? That's the logic behind it. So if this is a L, so this is smaller cone is here. This come L, and fuller is L plus 35. So this become L plus 35. I think we approach our answer. Reason, use similarities. Okay, hypotenuse by hypotenuse. You can start from anywhere. I start from here. L plus 35 by slant height by slant height, base by base, or radius by radius, cross multiply. So 8L, so 35 times to 8 gives you 280. L goes there, 15L. It goes and subtract here. 280 equal to 15L minus 8L. So I got a 7L. So 280 and I got L, so I got a 40. So I got 40 centimeter, this L, okay? And what was asking for, actually L is not, sorry. This is I have to take, because he given this as L, sorry, I saw later. So I have to give other name, any other name. Or I give name as a L1, better to different. Because this L he used already. So I will give name L1, so make it different from other, okay? I use L1, so I got L1 40. This is a 40. If 40 plus 35 gives 75. So it means this is, and this is same. So okay, I can say L equal to 40 plus 35. So I got 75 centimeter, I got L, okay? But if you want to make easy, other way we can take it even, but I think a lot of ways we have. If this is a L, this 35 gone, this become what? L minus 35, right? So if you don't like this way, you can do the other way even, okay? All right, now I think so this part is over, and just will give you worksheet. A new worksheet may be not mentioned here, and I think this part is over. Actually, we have a separate part there. Yes, I know. Stop?
No.
Working. So no problem. One part is there after that. Okay? And what is that after part? He can ask you, listen girls, he can extra part, not in the paper here. What is the curved area of the curved area of the cup? Of the cup. So how to find curved area of cup? Top is open, but down is closed. Okay? Down is closed. Like cup is like this. You can see this kind of cup we have. Okay. This is a closed, but top is open. Okay. So how we can find it? Let me tell you first of all. What is a curved area of the bigger cone? That is a pi r L. Okay. Actually, what is the plan behind? This is a plan of action. What is this called? Capital L. What is called? Small l. I think okay. Right or not? Okay, can I say the bigger pi r L minus pi r L? What is it? Here will give me curved area of the cone. Curved area of the cup. Sorry, cup. How come? A full bigger cone wall. If you bigger cone, curved area will get from here, and the lower one, cutter one, the smaller one, it will be given from here. If from the bigger cone, curved area of cone, and subtract the lower part of cone, I will get the curved area of the cup. Again repeat. Bigger curved area of the cone is pi r L. Smaller lower part of cone is a pi r L. And if I subtract, I get what? The cup one. So why I use capital R and capital L is to make it easy to understand. So capital R is, you know what is capital R? 15. What is a capital L? For your knowledge, this is L, 75. Again, small r is what? This 8. And small l is what? The lower part, L140. Will give me curved area of the cone. And let me type for you. The answer is coming now. So 15 times to 17. 5 minus 8 times to 40. And I get 805 pi. But problem, I miss one thing. What? The bottom circle.